Jai Shri Gurudev. Welcome to chemistry online classes. Today we will continue the preparation of this aldehydes. So that is third method of preparation of aldehydes is from hydrocarbons. So from hydrocarbons there are three methods. So first method is by oxidation of methyl benzene or toluene. This reaction is called as Heathorn reaction. Second method is by side chain chlorination of toluene followed by hydrolysis, and the third method is by Gattermann-Koch reaction. Gattermann-Koch reactions. So out of these, so three methods of preparation of aldehydes. So all these three methods are important. These three methods are important for theory examinations already asked in the previous year question papers. So first we are going to take, that is preparation of aldehydes by oxidation of methyl benzene or toluene. The reaction is called Heathorn reaction. When toluene, that is methyl benzene is treated with chromyl chloride. CrO2 Cl2. This is chromyl chloride. So on treating with chromyl chloride, so we are going to get, that is complex. That is chromium complex is formed. That complex is chromium complex. Benzene ring connected to CH, single bracket, O, Cr, OH, Cl2 twice. This is the complex. This when toluene is treated with, so that is chromyl chloride, treated with chromyl chloride. So we are going to get a complex, that is chromium complex. Yes, chromium complex. The complex is benzene ring connected to CH, so O, Cr, OH, Cl2 twice. This on hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. This on acid hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. This reaction is called Heathorn reaction. This reaction is called Heathorn reaction. So explain Heathorn reaction of benzaldehyde. If it is asked in the examination, you should not write when toluene is treated with chromyl chloride. Chromium complex is formed. This on hydrolysis in the presence of acid gives benzaldehyde. So this is the reaction. Okay. Second method. In this there are two methods. So this is first one. Second method is when toluene is treated with chromic oxide. When toluene is treated with chromic oxide, that is CrO3 and acetic anhydride When toluene is heated with chromic oxide and acetic anhydride at a temperature of 273 Kelvin to 283 Kelvin. 273 to 283 Kelvin. When it is heated, so we are going to get a benzaldehyde diacetate. We are going to get benzaldehyde diacetate. That structure is benzene ring connected to CH, CO, CH3 twice. This is benzaldehyde diacetate. Benzaldehyde diacetate. This on hydrolysis in presence of acid. acid gives benzaldehyde. Gives benzaldehyde. Benzene ring connected to CHO plus 2CH3COO acetic acid. Okay. Benzaldehyde is formed. This is how benzaldehyde is prepared from toluene using acetic anhydride. Using acetic anhydride. These are the two methods of preparation of benzaldehyde from toluene, that is by oxidation of methyl benzene. Oxidation of methyl benzene. Okay. So next method is by side chain chlorination of toluene. By side chain chlorination of toluene followed by hydrolysis. Followed by hydrolysis. Okay. When toluene, that is methyl benzene, when toluene is treated with chlorine in presence of diffused sunlight, when toluene is treated with chlorine in presence of diffused sunlight to give benzyl chloride, benzene ring connected to Cl2 plus 2 SCl, take here 2 moles. So this is benzyl chloride, BnZL, benzyl chloride. So benzyl chloride formed on hydrolysis, this is benzyl chloride formed on hydrolysis in presence of dilute acids gives benzaldehyde. Gives benzaldehyde. That is benzene ring connected to CHO plus 2 SCl. This is benzaldehyde. This is another method of preparation of benzaldehyde from toluene by passing chlorine in presence of diffused sunlight. That is nothing but side chain chlorination of toluene followed by hydrolysis. This is second method. And the third method is Gattermann-Koch reaction. Gattermann-Koch reaction. Okay. So Gattermann-Koch reaction. When benzene is treated with carbon monoxide, when benzene is treated with carbon monoxide in presence of SCl, and anhydrous aluminum chloride, in presence of SCl and anhydrous aluminum chloride or cuprous chloride, so I'm going to get benzaldehyde, that is benzene ring connected to CHO, that is benzaldehyde. This reaction is called Gattermann-Koch reaction. This reaction is called Gattermann-Koch reaction. So in annual examination, they have asked the question, explain Gattermann-Koch reaction for preparation of benzaldehyde. You should have to write this equation with few sentences. When benzene is passed through carbon monoxide in presence of dilute HCl and anhydrous aluminum chloride or cuprous chloride catalyst, we're going to get benzaldehyde. This reaction is known as Gattermann-Koch reaction. Okay. So next is, that's about preparation of special methods of preparation of aldehydes. So next method of preparation is, that is special methods of preparation of ketones. Special methods of preparation of ketones. Ketones can be prepared by the following the three methods. So one such method is from acyl chloride. So first method is from acyl chloride. Acyl chloride. Okay. When Grignard reagent, when Grignard reagent is treated with cadmium chloride, when Grignard reagent, this is Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is alkyl magnesium halide denoted by RMgX. This is called Grignard reagent. It is treated with cadmium chloride. Treated with cadmium chloride. So we are going to get dialkyl cadmium R2CD plus 2mgXCl. Addition product 2mgXCl. So this is dialkyl cadmium. Dialkyl cadmium. Okay. So dialkyl cadmium formed on treating with acyl halide. On treating with acyl halide. That is RCOCl. RCOCl. So we're going to get ketones. RC double bond O ketone single bond R plus CDCl. This is ketone. This is ketone. This is how we're going to prepare. So ketones from acyl halide. So this is also so important. Okay. So you take example. Example, when methyl magnesium bromide is treated with cadmium chloride. When methyl magnesium bromide is treated with cadmium chloride, we are going to get CH3CD, dimethyl cadmium plus 2mgBrCl, dimethyl cadmium. Dimethyl cadmium on treating with acetyl chloride CH3COCl. Dimethyl cadmium, that is CH3 twice CD, CH3 twice CD, dimethyl cadmium. So dimethyl cadmium on treating with acetyl chloride gives acetone. Gives acetone. CH3 C double bond O single bond CH3 plus CD. This is acetone. So this is how acetone is prepared from. So that is methyl magnesium bromide Grignard reagent by using cadmium chloride. When the methyl magnesium bromide is treated with cadmium chloride, dimethyl cadmium is formed. Dimethyl cadmium formed on treating with acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride, that is acyl chloride, gives acetone. Gives acetone. This is one such method. And the second method of preparation is from benzene. Is from benzene or substituted benzenes. When benzene is treated with acyl chloride. When benzene is treated with acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. Presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. heated at a temperature of 373 Kelvin gives benzene ring connected to C double bond O connected to R plus H combines with Cl, HCl. So this is the ketone, that is oral ketone is formed. This is oral ketone. So example for this one is when benzene is treated with acetyl chloride, and benzene is treated with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride heated at a temperature of 373 Kelvin gives acetophenone. Gives acetophenone. Benzene ring connected to COCH3 plus HCl. This is acetophenone. Acetophenone is, that is oral ketone. Oral ketone. That is acetone is alkyl ketone. So this is oral ketone. The ketone is acetophenone. So this is also important. This reaction is called Friedrich-Kapp's acylation reaction. This reaction is called Friedrich-Kapp's acylation reaction. This reaction is called Friedrich-Kapp's acylation reaction. Okay. So this is about, so that is preparation of ketones. So one such method is from acyl chloride, and second method is from benzene. That reaction is called Friedrich-Kapp's acylation. Okay, thank you.